Hey guys, out here in Mesquite, about to get this house torn down. So my HVAC guy came through over the weekend, got the AC unit pulled out. So I'm gonna turn you around. So all that's gone. Power's disconnected. Walk through here one quick time. Yellow jackets. Make sure there's nobody in here. Looks like we are all clear. So get the excavator fired up. And I already got the trailer backed in here. I'll take a couple of those dead branches off because they're gonna be all in my way. Yeah, we'll get this thing torn down. So stick around. All right, load number 1 on the trailer. Let's go take it to the dump. Turn and look. So we got all the garage and the kitchen, basically. 1 trailer load. So let's get this go get this dumped off at the dump, and we'll come back and break on it some more. All right, load 1's dumped off. Let's get load 2. Do a quick run through, make sure nobody's in the house. Ooh. See, that yellow jacket almost got me. Nope, nobody's in here. Let's get number 2 loaded up. All right, load 2 is on the trailer. That was bedroom, bathroom, linen closet, pantry, and part of the what was left of the kitchen. So you see the trailer is full. I broke a board, so I have to fix that. But yeah, let's go get this thing dumped and come back and get another one. All right, load 2 is dumped. Back at it. Let's get load 3. Let's get it loaded up and get out of here. that's going to do it for day one. As you can see, there's not a whole lot left of the house. Maybe, that's load 3. There's probably 2.5 loads left, so we'll get that done in the morning. Excuse me. And then we got to start pulling up all this concrete. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You get to see the what this place looks like when it's finished. Thanks.